Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch between your channels on YouTube. So as you can see here, I'm in one of my channel here. It's a new channel with no content really, but there is also another channel that I have connected to this same account. So how do we switch? You want to click your profile in the upper right hand side, and here you'll have the option that says switch channels. So once you click on that, you will see your other channels that is associated with that specific account or the same account. So if you have multiple channels connected to the same account and you want to switch between them or even add them, you can go ahead and do so. So you just want to select the second channel. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. And you'll see that it just switched there to the other channel, and that's how you go ahead and do so. So you can click your profile, switch channel, and switch between multiple channels there on your account. This is how you switch your YouTube channels on YouTube. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.